Let's talk about kalimba. What is a kalimba, or in other words, stump piano? For I know, it's an instrument that resembles mbira, originated from Zimbabwe, Africa. Mbira usually costs more than kalimba, from around $100 to $200 or more, usually handmade. On the other hand, kalimba is more affordable, from $20 to $50, mass-produced, and it has different keys and scale from mbira. Others might say that kalimba is mbira. This is my definition only. There are 4 types of kalimba. The hollow kalimba has a very loud sound and it can make a wah effect. The flatboard kalimba has the softest sound and very light to handle. The clear kalimba has a sound of a music box and is very heavy. These 3 kalimbas I just listed have around 17 keys or less. The array kalimba is the biggest, heaviest kalimba. It sounds totally like a normal kalimba with just more keys and costs more than $1,000. You also have to tune the kalimba to fit the song you want to play with a metal hammer. Hit the key down if you want to lower the tone and do the opposite to higher it. There are 3 types of kalimba music sheet: number notation, letter notation, and tablature notation. Oh, and a quick reminder that the kalimba has a different kind of example to the notes, not like the piano. And here's me playing the kalimba terribly. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys learned something and I'm out of here.